how to see who shared your reels on Facebook. It is quite simple, so before we begin, make sure to hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's get started. So first, what you want to do is go to your profile and tap on your profile right here. If you scroll down, you can see all of your posts and reels right here. So this one, as you can see, it has 2 shares and 24 plays. So you can see who liked it, and in order to who shared it, what you can do is just go back and go to your notification section, and here you can see your friends who have shared your reels. So if you just refresh your notification, as you can see, this guy right here has shared my post, and if other people have shared it, you will get a notification about it. And that's how you basically see who shared your reels on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.